Alright guys, naata karon diri sa National Museum of Fine Arts. O ako ipakita ninyo guys ang usa ka maestro, obra maestro ni Luna guys, no? Ang atong spolarium. Yan. So finally guys, nakaanhin na kita diri no sa spolarium. And daghan kag makita actually sa museum na to guys, no? And this was made or painted by Luna about the gladiators guys, no? Dito sa Rome. And look at that, it was very superb and very huge ang painting by Luna. Ayan guys, and one of the masterpiece actually. So you're not allowed to go near. And ayan guys, makita nimo perting kapuha gyud ang pagka-painting that was painted in 1890s. And yan.
Yung pag-vlog, so hindi po ano.
Ano po?
Hindi po ano.
Hindi?
Hindi po ano.
Yung
pag-vlog.
vlog? Okay, hindi daw allowed. Alright. So ayan guys, pinagbawal ang vlogging dito sa loob guys. Alright, see you next time.